Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Scotty Thompson, and assistant coach Richard Del Rosario of Barangay Ginebra. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach Chard, ninth playoff series against Meralco. And tulad nung nasabi mo sa akin kanina na the familiarity just makes things tougher for both teams. What were the challenges posted by Meralco tonight that you want to discuss in practice tomorrow to strengthen your chance of sweeping them again?
Well, it was really a tough game, no? Especially because Meralco was a very good defensive team. They made it difficult for us to really execute our offense. So yun yung challenge namin, how we can stay disciplined with our execution. They do a lot of things that take you out of the execution. But again, I think the players really, yung grit lang nila talaga ang nagpanalo dito. And also, we challenged them because last game against them without an import, we got clobbered in the boards. No? So I think now we did a better job against Meralco in getting rebounds. But it's going to be tougher. They know what we're doing, very familiar, and their import looks like he's already recovered from the back injury. Gave us a lot of problems, and the guards got into the paint, so we still have a lot to work on defensively.
Thank you.
Sorry, kasi Coach Tim, wala lang voice. That's why I'm here.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Scotty, conference high, 23 points, and 3 out of your 4 highest scoring games kalaban Meralco. Is there anything particular against Meralco na parang mas maganda yung shooting or yung scoring game mo?
First and foremost, all glory to God sa panalong ito. And so lang i-greet also yung wife ko, family ko, yung mga anak ko. And I think yung familiarity and nagkataon lang din siguro na tuwing playoffs, no, kami nagtatapat against Meralco, and we know grabe yung defensive team nila, no. And coming to this game, sabi nga ni Coach Richard, we have to battle their physicality, no. Basta playoffs lang as a veteran, kailangan ko lang din maging ready and step up yung mga elimination game ko coming sa playoffs.
Now, Scotty, hindi lang yung offense mo yung maganda ngayong game. It was an all-around game for you. And every time nga nakukuha ka ng rebound or there's a hustle play for you, na-excite, sumisigaw yung crowd. Is this a factor or does it motivate you to grab another rebound because, again, yung nagagawa din ng crowd?
Overall naman, yun lang talaga yung gusto ko maging aggressive both ends, no, offense and defense, but nagkataon din talaga na nasushoot yung mga tira ko, and credit din sa mga teammate ko na nahanap ako. We moved the ball well. I think 5 guys sa amin na nasa double figures, so I think malaking bagay sa amin yun, sign sa amin yun na talaga yung bola gumagalaw sa offense namin, and yun.